talk to me about this. Let's say I'm a laundromat owner who's inspired. I think there's going to be a lot of them, right? And wants to kind of get started, sort of trying to implement some of this stuff and move in the direction that you're going, maybe on your level, maybe not quite on your level, but wants to move more in that direction. Can you give us what are some good first steps that a laundromat owner should take if they want to kind of implement some of this stuff?
I think the first step would be familiarize yourself with the tenets of conscious capitalism, this notion that when you treat people good, your business benefits. And those people include your employees, your stakeholders, your customers. So really begin to understand the mindset of doing good brings good. We have a lot of super successful companies in this country that have shown us how this could be done. So that's one step. The second step is, everything we do is also customer driven. So some tactical examples. We have chalkboard from ceiling to floor that's titled, "We want to have a conversation about." And our customers let us know what we could be doing better, what challenges they're faced with, and we broker those partnerships based on what our customers are telling us, or we're making adjustments into the space based on what customers are telling us. And it could be as simple as the type of snacks that they want brought into that space to, hey, I'm really struggling because I became homeless last week and I need some help. So get to know your customers. I mean, these are people that are keeping you in business. And we know that they come in every single week and they're there for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. You have a real opportunity to develop authentic relationships with your customers and help support them while they're supporting your business. We've had a lot of success in the local movement. So I would say another thing would be get to know your local first movement, which is typically a nonprofit in your community that helps elevate all of the local businesses in that area. And they'll help connect you to funding resources and training, people, potential contracts, but also help communicate the narrative that when you shop local, when you do business local, everyone benefits in the economy. So those are three things that I think are doable, right? Conscious capitalism, customer driven, and the local movement.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, yeah, absolutely. I think that's great. And I think, the specifics of that is good. Generally, it sounds like, hey, get educated, and identify the issues, in the community, and then look for existing resources that you can partner with and network with and go for it. So, I mean, I think that's a good framework to get started. So anybody who's interested in, implementing some of this a little bit more social element to their laundromat,